Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to customize your Steam profile step by step. First, open Steam and log into your account. Then, go to your profile by clicking your username at the top of the window and selecting View My Profile. Once you're there, click on the Edit Profile button. This is where you can start making changes. You can change your profile name, your real name, and your custom URL. This is the link you can share with others. Scroll down and you'll see more options. You can add a short bio, your country, and links to your social media or website. Next, go to the Avatar tab. Here you can upload a new profile picture. You can use one of Steam's default images or upload your own. Below that, you can also set a profile background. If you have backgrounds in your inventory, you can select one from the drop-down menu. These make your profile look more personal. Now go to the Featured Showcase section. If your account is level 10 or higher, you can choose from different showcase types. For example, you can feature your favorite games, screenshots, achievements, or items. Pick one that fits your profile best. You can also choose your favorite group and favorite game to display on your profile. This makes it easier for friends to know what you're most into. When you're done, don't forget to click Save at the bottom. Then go back to your profile to see the changes. This is how you can customize your Steam profile to make it reflect your personality and interests. Thanks for watching.